Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do a color changing video edit on CapCut PC. So here I've already added my clips. Then to do the color changing, you just need to split your video first into a few parts. So go to where you want the color changing to happen. For example, like this. Then I'm going to select the second clip in here. Go to the adjustment and click on the adjust cell and then just click on the color that you want to change. You can just adjust it like this, and then we'll see that the color will be slightly changed. But if you want to have the changes to be more extreme, you can just adjust the color again. For example, for the third part of the clip, I'm going to change it into this color so that it will have this extreme changes. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.